It's awesome! Oh my god, you spent so much money on me, I'm sorry!
Hayden,
No.
let me explain something to you, okay? This is a family thing also, okay?
I know. He spent so much money.
I did?
Yeah, he
How
did.
do you know how much money I spent?
I don't know. Oh my god!
I know. Just keep tapping it over and over. There.
Okay,
What
we're
do you
looking
think
this
that
up.
is?
What?
We're looking this up in the room.
In the room?
The room?
Gonna have to.
Okay.
Oh god. That was like...
What are you gonna say to the camera? Merry Christmas?
Aw. Merry Christmas, buddy. Did you get a few things you wanted?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Including a dirt bike.
Huh? Including a dirt bike? I gotta be able to breathe, buddy. Yeah, this is for Daddy. You're welcome. Come on, come. This is from both of us. All of this is from all of us.
I love you, honey.